Hey guys, hope you're doing well. This is going to be a little tutorial on how to create your virtual tour for your country project. This will be put onto your website eventually. We have not started that website. We will have another one of these eventually, but we're going to create a bunch of these different little things. Then they're already done and we will embed them right onto your guys' websites. So this assignment is going to be called Tour Creator. So you will go to that assignment. That's where you'll be watching this tutorial. But then you're going to click on Tour Creator and you'll see it'll say get started. So you can go ahead and do that. It'll redirect you, all of that good stuff. You will do new tour. So hopefully you all saw me click that right there. You'll click new tour. You can name it whatever your country name is, and you can just say tour. That's fine. And then my face is blocking it, so let me move this over. Okay, so then you can do a category as well, and that can be like travel and leisure. That would be fine. And then you'll see create cool beans. So then you're like, oh, what places am I doing for your country? So then that is when you're going to go to your document, your country project document. That should be there under country project. Then you can scroll and you're going to get to this section that is the tourist attractions, right? So you're going to have what they are and why. So in Spain, oops, it could be the Spain, we'll do Barcelona, maybe Barcelona, Spain. Um, we'll do Parc de Güell. Parc de Güell in Barcelona, Spain. That's kind of a popular place. And so then what will happen is it will take you to that place and you can kind of do a 360 look around of like, oh, what it is, but you can play around with this a little bit. And like, I don't necessarily love where that's at. Oh, this is much better. Oh, this is such a good scene from Parc de Güell in Spain. So you have Googled pictures and you've seen that. So you can move this person around until you see that you've gotten the one that you want, okay? So once you've found that, we're gonna go with that. Nope, Street View, whoops. And I want that one. Where is the button that's going to, it's hard for me to kind of see. Okay, so then in the bottom right hand corner it says add scene. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so add scene, so I could say it's Parc de Güell. Whoops. And we will worry more about like the description and other stuff later. So then you're going to add then another scene. So then you'll keep doing that for each of those. And then once you've, whoops, loading tour. So then once you get to that point, you can publish it and then you'll have that done, okay? We aren't going to worry about voiceovers for your tour. Originally we were going to, but that gets a little bit complicated. So we're just going to have a tour. And then when you're finished, you can publish that. You'll need to make sure you get an image in there, but that shouldn't be a problem, okay? So make sure you get all of those tourist attractions you have here. You should have 5. And so you'll have 5 different scenes and we're not going to do any voiceovers on them, okay? All right, so that won't be due until next week, but here's just so you can start playing around with it. Okay, let me know if you have any questions.